Every time I attempt to fold a fitted sheet, it ends up looking like this. Now, I'm not tall, which definitely doesn't help, but does it always have to be this way?
There are loads of hacks online showing fitted sheets being magically folded into neat rectangles. I've attempted a few with varying degrees of success, but most of them are just too complicated.
So here's a method that's easy and quick. This is Household Hacks, tried and tested. For the purposes of this video, I'm using a single sheet, but the concept is the same, so you can apply this method to any size fitted sheet you have. You want to lay your sheet onto a nice flat surface, and then I'm going to take these two corners on this side and I'm going to fold them over and under into these corners. So this is going to go under there and into there, and it just makes a kind of square. I'm going to take that end, fold it over and fold it on top and smooth it out. So now you've got this kind of strip, and you can just fold this up. And there you have it, a neatly folded sheet achieved with relatively little effort. Stacking folding sheets in this way will make a big difference to your cupboard space. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this household hack. Click the link to sign up to our free weekly newsletter. It's packed with money-saving tips, cleaning tricks and product reviews. Check out the video below to find out how to insulate your home and save money on your energy bill. And for more video content like this, subscribe to our channel.